Number 9, 2025, BMW M5. The 2025 BMW M5 marks a bold new era for BMW's iconic super sedan, blending raw power with cutting-edge hybrid technology. Under the hood, a twin-turbo V8 pairs with an electric motor to produce a staggering 700-plus horsepower, delivering brutal acceleration while maintaining efficiency. The all-wheel drive system ensures razor-sharp handling, and the adaptive suspension keeps it planted through corners. Inside, BMW's latest iDrive system, luxurious materials, and driver-focused cockpit make it as refined as it is aggressive. While purists may debate its electrified evolution, one thing is clear: the new M5 is faster, smarter, and more thrilling than ever. Number 9, 2025, BMW M5. The legendary Toyota MR2 makes a bold return in 2025, blending its mid-engine heritage with cutting-edge performance and sleek, modern design. This new generation MR2 is a lightweight, driver-focused sports car, powered by a turbocharged hybrid powertrain that delivers an exhilarating balance of power and efficiency. Its aggressive styling, sharp aerodynamics, and low-slung stance make it a head-turner, while the precisely tuned suspension ensures razor-sharp handling on twisty roads. Inside, the cockpit is a perfect fusion of minimalism and technology, featuring a driver-centric layout with digital displays and premium materials. The 2025 MR2 revives the spirit of pure driving excitement, proving that Toyota still knows how to build an affordable yet thrilling sports car. Car exhaust. Number 7, 2025 Tesla Roadster. The 2025 Tesla Roadster is a game-changer, redefining the limits of electric performance. With a jaw-dropping 0 to 60-mile-per-hour time of under 1.9 seconds and a top speed exceeding 250 miles per hour, it's not just fast, it's otherworldly. Powered by Tesla's next-gen tri-motor system and an advanced battery pack, the Roadster boasts an industry-leading range of over 600 miles. Its sleek, aerodynamic design isn't just for looks. It maximizes efficiency and downforce, making it a true track weapon. Inside, a minimalist cockpit with a futuristic steering yoke and premium materials surrounds the driver, offering both luxury and innovation. With mind-bending acceleration and cutting-edge technology, the 2025 Tesla Roadster proves that the future of speed is electric. Lightning Bolt Rocket. Number 6, 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. The roar of the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 echoed through the winding mountain road, its twin-turbocharged V8 snarling like a caged beast finally set free. Painted in rapid blue, the ZR1 was more than just a car. It was a statement, a testament to American engineering pushing the boundaries of speed and control. Jake tightened his grip on the flat-bottomed steering wheel, feeling the car's 850 horsepower surge through the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. The aerodynamic package, a towering rear wing and aggressive front splitter, kept the Corvette planted as he carved through each turn with surgical precision. The ZR1 wasn't just fast, it was a scalpel slicing through the asphalt. Up ahead, the road opened into a straightaway. He downshifted, the titanium exhaust crackling like distant thunder, and then full throttle. The acceleration was violent, pinning him to the seat as the speedometer climbed past 150 miles per hour in mere seconds. The active suspension adjusted in real time, making the ride feel effortless, almost too easy for something this powerful. As he neared the summit, the sun dipped below the horizon, bathing the Corvette in hues of gold and crimson. He pulled over, the engine still ticking as it cooled. Stepping out, he turned back to admire the machine that had just rewritten the definition of performance. The 2025 Corvette ZR1 wasn't just a supercar, it was a weapon. And Jake was just getting started. 2025 Ford Mustang GTD. The roar of the 2025 Ford Mustang GTD echoed through the winding canyon roads, its supercharged 5.2-liter V8 snarling with every shift. Inspired by the GT3 race car, the street-legal beast gripped the asphalt with its advanced suspension and aggressive aerodynamics. Ethan tightened his grip on the Alcantara-wrapped steering wheel, feeling the power surge as he pushed past 7,500 RPM. The active aerodynamics adjusted in real time, planting the car to the ground as it devoured each curve with precision. Carbon ceramic brakes glowed faintly under the strain, but the GTD never faltered. As he rocketed onto the highway, the titanium exhaust sang its deep, throaty war cry. This wasn't just a Mustang. This was the ultimate fusion of race-bred engineering and American muscle. A supercar in disguise, built to dominate the streets. Number 4, 2025 Porsche Macan EV. In 2025, Porsche redefined the electric SUV segment with the all-new Macan EV, a fusion of cutting-edge performance and luxury. Gone was the roar of a combustion engine, replaced by the silent force of dual electric motors, delivering over 600 horsepower and instant torque. The 800-volt architecture meant blistering fast charging, adding nearly 300 miles of range in minutes. With its sleek, aerodynamic body and signature 4-point LED headlights, the Macan EV retained Porsche's unmistakable DNA while embracing the future. Inside, a tech-rich cockpit featured a curved digital display, premium materials, and an intuitive AI-assisted driving system. But at its core, it remained a driver's Porsche. Razor-sharp handling, adaptive air suspension, and a launch mode that could pin passengers to their seats. Whether carving through mountain roads or gliding silently through city streets, the 2025 Porsche Macan E-Fi proved that electrification and emotion could coexist, setting a new standard for performance SUVs in the modern era. Number 3.2025 Lamborghini Lanzador. The 2025 Lamborghini Lanzador is not just an SUV, it's a glimpse into the future of raging bulls. As Lamborghini's first all-electric Ultra GT, the Lanzador merges the brand's signature aggressiveness with cutting-edge electrification. With dual electric motors delivering a mind-blowing 1,300 horsepower, this futuristic beast launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, all while emitting zero emissions. Its bold, spaceship-like design blends supercar aerodynamics with SUV practicality, featuring sharp angles, an illuminated Y-shaped front signature, and an active aerodynamic system for maximum efficiency. Inside, the driver-centric cockpit feels like a race-ready command center, complete with sustainable materials and a high-tech holographic infotainment display. But the Lanzador is more than just numbers. It's an emotional machine. Its torque vectoring system and adaptive suspension ensure razor-sharp handling, keeping the soul of Lamborghini alive even in the electric era. The Lanzador isn't just a new model. It's the beginning of a new era for Sant'Agata Bolognese. Number 2025 Ferrari SF90 Special Version. The 2025 Ferrari SF90 Special Version is the prancing horse unleashed, an evolution of Ferrari's already blistering hybrid hypercar, now sharpened for ultimate performance. With an upgraded 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 and 3 electric motors, this beast roars past 1,000 horsepower, delivering even more savage acceleration and precision on both road and track. Draped in aggressive aerodynamic enhancements, including a larger rear wing and reworked vents for better downforce, the SF90 Special version isn't just faster, it's meaner. Ferrari's cutting-edge Assetto Fiorano package shaves weight with carbon fiber components and fine-tunes the suspension for razor-sharp cornering. Inside, the cockpit remains a high-tech masterpiece, with race-inspired displays and a cockpit designed for pure driver engagement. Every flick of the paddle shifter, every press of the throttle is met with an instant and electrifying response. A track-focused evolution of the hybrid hypercar legend, the SF90 Special version is Ferrari's ultimate fusion of power, precision, and passion, a machine built to dominate. Number 1. 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon. The 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon is the dawn of a new hypercar era, where artistry meets electrified performance. Named after the intricate watchmaking mechanism, the Tourbillon embodies precision, power, and timeless luxury. Under its sculpted carbon fiber skin lies a revolutionary, naturally aspirated V16 hybrid powertrain, delivering an astronomical 1,800-plus horsepower. The symphony of its 16 cylinders, paired with electric motors, creates a seamless fusion of raw combustion and cutting-edge electrification. Visually, the Tourbillon is a masterpiece, flowing aerodynamics, a signature Bugatti horseshoe grille, and an active rear wing that adapts to speed and cornering forces. Every line, every vent, serves both function and form, sculpting airflow for maximum efficiency. Inside, Bugatti redefines analog luxury in a digital age, with a mechanical instrument cluster, handcrafted materials, and an ultra-intuitive cockpit. It's an experience designed for the elite, a sanctuary of speed wrapped in unparalleled craftsmanship. The 2025 Bugatti Tourbillon is more than a car. It's an engineering marvel, a statement of limitless performance, and a new chapter in the legacy of the ultimate hypercar brand.